Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning block 22, which is our government, isn't it, children? And in this, we have learned what is the need of the government, isn't it, children? So, in the second topic, we will learn levels of the government. Okay, levels of the government. Okay, children. So, please open your social content books, children, and turn to page number 136. Okay, so you all know that India has 28 states. Now we have 28 states, children. Jammu and Kashmir has been divided into two parts and it is joined in the union territories. So now we have 28 states and 8 union territories. And one government can't rule all these states and all these union territories at once, isn't it, children? That's why each state has a government which is called as state government and also the central government. Okay, so we have two levels of the government. One is central government and the state government. Okay, so each state has their government. Okay, so there'll be the officials, chief ministers and ministry of all in all sectors, and they will be ruling that state. Okay, and central means, so all the state governments should will be reporting to the central government. Okay, so central government takes the decisions mainly on the matters like country's security. Are we secure? Is there any war between with us, with any of the country? How can we solve them? What are the railway systems for all over the country? How people can travel all over the country? Overall agriculture status. Okay, the transport, the foreign affairs means the relation between our country with the other country. How is the relationship? How can we make it better? How can we improve ourselves with the relation with the other country, like trades and exchange? We do know the business, the trade, we do know. So all those things the central government will be taking care of, and the state government will be solving the problems in the state. See, all the states have same whole things, isn't it, children? The agriculture, the hospitals, the roads should be proper roads. All these things are common, but to what extent each state needs might be different. Okay, so that depends, that will be solved by the state government. Okay, so state government takes the decisions which are important to that state. See, for some example, the needs of northern India and the southern India will be different. The needs, the occupation, the climate, everything is different from among the southern states also, among the northern states also. According to the requirement of that state in which the people living in, according to that the state government has to rule it, isn't it, children? So that will be taken care by the state government and it is reported to the central government. How the things are, what the people need, all these things will be reported by the state government to the central government, and according to that they'll make the decisions. They'll consider all the states where, how we can solve that problem, everything they discuss, and they'll start a rule, a law in that state, so that everybody in that state get benefited. Okay, so in that way the state and central government rule our country. Okay, children, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and also underline in your content book. And if you find any other word difficult for you, you can include in your keywords. Okay, coming to your question answers, children. Why do we have two levels of government in India? Because our government, we have 28 different states, isn't it, children? And to rule all 28 different states will be difficult. That's why we have two levels of government. 28 states we have. In 28 states we have different cultures, different languages, different traditions, different climatic conditions, isn't it? According to all these the state has to rule, isn't it? The state government has to rule. That's why it becomes difficult for the central government to rule all. Along with these states, we have union territories also. In that, we have islands also, isn't it, children? So that's why it becomes difficult. So we have two levels of government. So that will include in the answer. Okay, next. Coming to your home, write that answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, volume book 3, children. Complete volume book 3, page number 31, S2, levels of government. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn organs of the government. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.